Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to integrate Drip and Clickfunnels. This is a great way to automate email marketing and manage leads more effectively. Let's get started. On your Clickfunnels dashboard, go to the lower left part of the screen and click on Workspace Settings. This is where we will find the integrations for Clickfunnels. Once we are in the settings, click on Integrations, which you will find on the left side of the dashboard. When we see the Integrations section, search for the apps. Just type Drip, and we can see that it is not connected yet. Now, click on Drip. It will ask us to connect an account. If we do not have an account yet, we can sign up from here. If we already have an account, type the email address and click Continue. Next, enter the password and click Continue to move forward with the integration. Then click Save so that Drip gets connected. Drip is an e-commerce CRM and email marketing automation platform that connects directly with Clickfunnels to help us manage, track, and nurture leads. Now, from here, verify the email. Go to the inbox and confirm the Drip account. After confirming, choose a profile to continue. For example, select the default profile. Once selected, authorize it to connect to Clickfunnels. We can now verify access. It is connected. Just click Save so the integration is saved to Clickfunnels. We are now connected. We can add emails and data, and the integration is ready to use. And that is how we integrate Drip with Clickfunnels. With this setup, we can streamline our campaigns and keep our audience engaged automatically.